artificial intelligence,
machine learning,
genetic algorithms,
social computing and crowdsourcing,
neural networks,
human-computer interaction,
design, technology, and research,
computational humanities,
robotics. You get the idea.
Our job is to change things.
Creating new ideas and being on the edge.
This is what the strength of Northwestern is.
We have the ability to process massive amounts of data at a much larger scale than we were able to before.
How to look at problems and how to decompose them.
You literally feel like the bounds of your brain are expanding.
It's a set of skills that translate and apply almost anywhere.
We've been designing computational ecosystems that allow 50 to 200 people to work simultaneously on a problem.
We're democratizing data science. People from many different fields can come together and collaborate.
It's finding its way into every aspect of life.
What does that mean for people in the world?
Computer science actually is prime for this notion of partnership.
Adding computer science to these other disciplines at Northwestern explodes their capabilities.
It's an incredibly interdisciplinary place.
The purpose of our technology is to make your data meaningful to you by rendering it in terms of a story.
Narrative science technology can completely change the way in which human beings interact with computers.
How can we create learning experiences that are powerful?
You want the systems to interact and learn from humans, and then turn around and teach based on what they've learned.
We can leverage advances in robotics autonomy to make impact within the field of human rehabilitation.
You're essentially looking for these types of forensic evidence of how a painting was produced very long after the fact.
Now we've applied automated spell correction and language modeling. We've gotten some really promising results. Computer science right now is the closest thing to magic.
There's no area of the university that is not touched by computer science.
It is a multiplier.
And a field that's, exploding.
Transforming the world, making the world better.
I don't even know if exponential covers it.
Welcome everyone. Today we are on our journey through the exciting advancement in artificial intelligence, AI, and how they are reshaping our world. AI. Once a futuristic concept is now deeply integrated into various industries, revolutionizing how we work, communicate, and live. Let's explore the remarkable progress and potential of AI. Deep learning. A subset of AI has seen remarkable advancement in recent years, enabling machines to learn complex patterns from data. According to the report of McKinsey, deep learning techniques have improved accuracy rates across various tasks and image recognized through natural language processing. Example, AlphaGo, developed by the DeepMind, showcased the power of deep learning of defeating human champions in the ancient game of Go, demonstrating AI's ability to master intricate strategies. AI in healthcare transformation. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, from early disease detecting to personalized treatment plans, improving patient outcomes. Research from Frost and Sullivan predict that AI in the healthcare will grow at a CAGR of 40% by 2021, fueled by advancement in machine learning and medical imaging. Example, ABN Watson Health utilized AI to analyze vast amount of medical data, assisting clinician and diagnostic illness and recommending tailored therapies inside healthcare delivery. AI-powered automation in industries. AI-driven automation is transforming industries, optimized process and driving efficiencies. A study by PwC estimates that AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with manufacturing and retailing benefiting significantly from automation. Example, Tesla's Gigafactories employ and powered robots from manufacturing, increased production, speed, precision, while reduction of labor cost, exemplifying the impact of AI-driven automation. Advancement in AI propelling us into a future where intelligent machine augment human capabilities and revolutionize industries. Embracing AI technologies present vast opportunities for innovation and growth, shaping a more connected and efficient world. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of AI transformation power.